I just want to say this. You know, I stopped buying electronic stuff off eBay and Amazon that was unbranded or whatever, but I needed injectors for this. It had a couple misfires, so I was like, screw it. I replaced all 8. And unfortunately, I didn't follow my own advice because I didn't think, well, yeah, it's only a little bit. It's a solenoid. What harm can be done? This is fire extinguisher, by the way. So it had been sitting for a week and a half, something like that, and you know, just like I said, it just had the misfires, and when I put those injectors in, it had more misfires, and at that time I couldn't keep diagnosing it because the starter wire corroded off, so I couldn't shut it off. I couldn't start it back up, so I just replaced the starter, and I went to start it, and it went real bang, and some smoke came out from under the hood. And so there was only one thing I could think of that did that, and sure enough, I was right. I pulled a couple spark plugs out of the cylinders on 2 cylinders on this side, and gas just started pouring right out. And stupid me, I figured, I'll just crank it a little bit, let it push the rest of it out. No, you know what happened? It fucking burst into flames. I didn't have the spark plugs connected, but the wires were down there. And yeah, that's where all the fire extinguisher shit came from. But now the motor's junk because apparently that bang was it trying to compress the gas that leaked out into the cylinders from the fucking cheap ass injectors. So now here you. Yeah, sounds like it was still loaded up with gas in the cylinder. Yeah, nice job. Fucking junk. Don't ever buy those fucking $35, $40 set of fucking injectors.